Hello, today I will show you how to block all spam calls on your OPPO A79. Now, first, turn on the device, go into the dialer app. Here, for example, through favorites, you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner, go into settings, go into blocked numbers. Now, block calls from unidentified callers is one way to block unwanted traffic to your phone. Next one is caller ID and spam, and filter spam calls. You will need simply to toggle this on. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe. Tell us if you like the video, and remember to come back for more videos about your favorite phones.